And now viewers, in the alleged case of a BJP woman worker getting assaulted by police, Mayor Jyoti Patil along with BJP workers staged a protest outside the Keshwapur police station. Protesters gathered in large numbers and expressed their anger by performing bhajans as a mark of dissent. Now among those participating was the mother of the woman worker who was seen expressing her anguish. And in fact, while narrating details of the incident, the mother of the victim in fact broke down before BJP leaders, highlighting the emotional toll the case has taken on the victim's family. The protest continued outside the Keshwapur police station as party workers now demanded accountability from the officials. Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also spoke on this issue. He stated that the woman allegedly bit a woman police officer after stripping herself. He added that when the police went to arrest her, she resisted and bit the police personnel. Now, according to the Chief Minister, there were 10 women police officers present at the time. He further cautioned people not to take law into their own hands while saying that legal action will be taken as per the law. Now viewers, the case came to light after videos surfaced on social media showing a woman with torn clothes appearing to be disrobed during a scuffle with Karnataka police personnel. However, the police have clarified that they had reached the spot to arrest the woman and that she resisted the arrest. The police also stated that the woman seen in the video had stripped herself during the altercation. All right, viewers, this is the case coming to light from Karnataka, where a woman alleged that she was manhandled, assaulted by the police personnel in Karnataka. Meanwhile, the police has given a different account, saying when they reached the spot to arrest this woman, she resisted the arrest. In fact, she stripped herself during the altercation is what police is now saying. We also have a statement coming in from the Chief Minister on this. The Chief Minister has now said that the woman allegedly bit a woman police officer after stripping herself. He also added that the police went to arrest her. She resisted those attempts and bit the police personnel. According to the Chief Minister, there were about 10 women police officers who were present at the time, and he also cautioned people not to take law into their own hands. Now viewers, the BJP in the state of course has taken to streets to protest against this incident. They gathered outside the Keshwapur police station in large numbers and expressed their anger by performing bhajans as a mark of dissent.